Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use cryptocurrency mixers. But first things first, what is cryptocurrency mixers? Cryptocurrency mixers is a service that allows users to mix their digital assets with those of other users in order to obscure the trail of transactions and prevent the identification of the original source and destination of the funds. One of the main advantages of using a cryptocurrency mixer is that it can help prevent anyone from tracing your financial transactions back to you. So in this video, I'm going to be mixing my $300 worth of Ethereum with mymixer.io. If you would also like to mix your cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend you guys to use mymixer because really it's one of the best mixers and easiest to use on the crypto space. Links will be in the description below. Without a further ado, let's start mixing. Once you're at the site, you could scroll down to read more information about the service. Alright, let's start mixing. To start mixing, click this Mix Now button right here. Now you should see the mixing tool here like this. For now, mymixer can only mix 7 cryptocurrencies, but of course in the future they're going to add more cryptocurrencies to mix. Now what I like about this tool is the whole process only takes about 20 minutes, which is better than the other crypto mixers I've used before. So now once you're here, choose the cryptocurrency you want to mix. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be mixing $300 worth of Ethereum, so I'm going to choose Ethereum on here. Now it's going to ask for the destination address. So I'm just going to get the address on my other wallet. Now I'm going to enter $300 worth of Ethereum, so that's going to be 0.16. Now the slider down here is pretty much self-explanatory. The slowest has a service fee of 0.200%, and the fastest being 1.200%. In this video, I'm going to do the fastest. Now you can calculate how much total you're going to be getting. Now after you're done, hit proceed. Now just simply send the cryptocurrency onto this following address right here. Now once you sent the cryptocurrency, click Check Transaction. Now there should be a transaction ID. Click Check Transaction again. Now the status of the transaction should show up like this. So of course, with the power of editing, I'm going to cut the video right here. And as you can see, it's now finished processing and the funds should be already on my wallet. And it's that easy, guys. It only took about 9 minutes, which is insanely fast for a crypto mix transaction. That's basically how you mix cryptocurrencies. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for another video. Bye.